Hello students, welcome back to the next session where we are studying the semi-solid dosage form. Myself Ashwini Zamdade, lecturer at Sanjivani College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Kopargaon. In this session today we are going to study the PEST. These are the next type of semi-solid dosage form. The learning outcome of this session are, from this session the students will be able to know what are paste, bases used in the paste, method of preparation of paste, storage of paste and difference between paste and ointment. Paste, let us discuss what are paste first. Paste are semi-solid preparation intended for external application to the skin. The paste are generally very thick and stiff in nature. They do not melt at ordinary temperature and thus form a protective coating over the area where they are applied. Means they are not melted at body temperature. They are used mainly as antiseptic, protective or soothing dressing which often are spread on lint before being applied. Lint are nothing but the fibrous bandage or fiber like bandage on which the paste is spread and then applied to the affected area. Then let us discuss different bases used in the paste. The following are the bases used in the paste like hydrocarbon bases, water miscible bases and water soluble bases. These are the three basic type of bases used in the preparation of paste. Let us discuss hydrocarbon bases. Soft paraffin and liquid paraffin are commonly used hydrocarbon bases in the preparation of paste. The example of this is prepare and dispense 100 gram of compound zinc paste BPC. It consists of zinc oxide, starch, white soft paraffin. The preparation method for the same is melt the white soft paraffin on a water bath. Separately pass the zinc oxide and starch through sieve number 120. Mix the required weight of powder in a warm mortar. Add small amount of melted base with continuous trituration until smooth paste is obtained. Add the remaining part of the base and mix until cold and uniform paste is obtained. The directions for use are spread the paste on white lint and apply to the affected area. This is the simple method of preparation of the paste. Then next type are water miscible bases. Emulsifying ointment is used as a water miscible base for the preparation of paste. Similarly, glycerin is also used as water miscible base for the preparation of the paste. The example of this type of paste is prepare and dispense 50 gram of resorcinol and sulfur paste BPC. It consists of resorcinol, precipitated sulfur, zinc oxide, emulsifying ointment. The directions are to be applied on the affected area where dandruff is severe. Method of preparation is trituration method. First triturate zinc oxide and resorcinol and precipitated sulfur with a portion of emulsified ointment until smooth and gradually incorporated the remaining part of the emulsifying ointment. This is the simple method of preparation, that is trituration method. Now next type of ointment paste bases used in the paste are water soluble bases. Suitable combination of high and low molecular weight polyethylene glycols are mixed together to get product of desired consistency with soften or melt then applied to the skin. These bases are water soluble dental paste containing neomycin sulfate is prepared by macrogol bases. This is an example of water soluble base. Then let us discuss the next part, that is preparation method of paste. The paste are prepared by trituration and fusion method, same as that of ointment. Trituration method is used only in those cases where base is liquid or semi-solid, and fusion method is used only when the base is semi-solid or solid in nature. Then storage of paste. They should be stored in well closed container. They should be stored in cool place to prevent evaporation of moisture present in the paste. Then paste should be stored and supplied in a container made of material which do not allow absorption or diffusion of the contents. And one more indication or direction we can say for external use only. Then let us discuss difference between the paste and ointment. Now, paste, they contain large amount of finely powdered solids such as starch, zinc oxide, etc. But ointment, they do not contain medicament which are generally dissolved or suspended or emulsified in the base. They are very thick and stiff. Pastes are very thick and stiff. Pastes are very thick and stiff. They are soft semi-solid preparations. Ointments are. Pastes are less greasy than ointments. Ointments are more greasy. Then pastes are applied with spatula or sprayed on lint, while ointments are used as protective or emollient on the skin. Paste contain large amount of powder which is porous in nature, hence causes perspiration or sweating. Ointments, these are used for protection of lesions. Paste they are less macerating than ointment, means they do not show soothing effect. Then ointments are more macerating in action, means softening action is more compared to paste. This is the basic difference between the paste and ointment. This is very important question in exam point of view. In next lecture we will see the next point. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.